Okay, finally let's focus few more selection techniques via this lesson, and after that let's learn how to retouching images. So let's say if I want to make a quick selection to select this eraser image and copy it to another document, let's pick object selection tool and make sure new selection option is turned on here and activate a rectangle mode from here. Then draw a rectangular marquee around this subject. Right, there we go. Then I can copy this element to another document. So tap Ctrl C and move to another document and tap Ctrl V. There we go. Let's say if I want to select this subject, then with the object selection tool, activate lasso option from here and then draw a rough marquee around the boundary like this. Okay. Then I must subtract this part from the selection. So again I activate magic wand tool and activate subtract option from here and click over here. There you go. Then I can copy and paste it to another document. Likewise guys, you can use the object selection tool for make a quick selection over an object. Keep in mind, when any object have a busy background, then this object selection tool may not support properly. For example, this mug is have a busy background. So if I try to make a selection with object selection tool, right? Now I can see in some places selection border is not properly done. Okay, so in here, it's out of track. In that case, it's better to use a pen tool or curvature pen tool for make a precise selection border. Okay, so you learned how to make a selection with curvature pen tool. Let me show you how to use the pen tool. So guys, a pen tool is also working similar way as in Illustrator. So I can use the pen tool for make straight selection border. So let's activate the pen tool and make sure path option is active here. Then if I draw a straight path, I can connect borders. There you go. And then click this selection button and pick a new or add to selection option and click OK. Okay, now let me show you how to make a precise selection border with pen and curvature pen tool while switch between both tools. So to draw a straight border from this point to this point, I must use pen tool. Right, and from this point onwards I have to make a curved selection border up to here, so I have to use the curvature pen tool. Then again from here to here I must draw a straight segment with pen tool, and then again here to here need to draw a curved segment, and here to here again have to draw a straight segment, and finally here to here need to draw a curved line to complete the selection. Okay, so let's begin with pen tool and make sure path option is active here and start from this point and continue to add straight lines. Now from this point I need to switch to Curvature Tool to draw curved line. To do that, tap Shift P key twice or right click here and pick Curvature Tool. Then I can continue to add curved lines along the edge. Okay, so guys, if necessary you can tap Ctrl Z or backspace to undo the action and continue drawing. Okay, then from this point again I need to draw a straight line. So instead of switching to the pen tool, I can use the Curvature Pen Tool to draw straight line. To do that, double click the last anchor and then again double click here to add straight segment. Then I can continue to add curved lines as usual. So guys, you do not require to switch between pen and Curvature Pen Tool. Let's say if you want to switch to pen tool, then again right click here and pick pen tool from here. Then you can continue drawing. But you can use the Curvature Pen Tool to draw even straight segments. So let me continue with Curvature Tool. So always keep in mind, if you use Curvature Tool, then double click to draw straight segment when necessary. Okay. Okay, then I can right click and make a selection. There you go. Now guys, I must subtract this segment from the current selection. So let me show you how to draw a selection boundary with freeform pen tool instead of using pen or Curvature Pen Tool. So make sure path option is active and click this gear icon and make sure magnetic option is active. Then click to add the first fastening point here, and then you can release the mouse button or you can hold the mouse button. So I always prefer release the mouse button, and now if I just move the mouse pointer along the edge precisely, fastening points are connecting the lines over there. If you tap backspace key, you can delete the fastening points and continue add. So in this point I need to add another fastening point. So when necessary I can just click to add another fastening point and then continue drawing. Then to complete the selection, just click the start fastening point. There we go. Now as usual, right click and choose make selection. Then from here activate subtract option. Then click OK. There we go. So students, it's not necessary to use all these tools together for make selection. You can use the tool that you feel most easy for you. So my favorite is a Curvature Pen Tool for make precise selections, and as well as there are a few more selection tools. So let's focus on them while we work on some more projects later on. For the time being, the tools that you learned pretty much enough for work. Okay, so in my next lecture onwards, let's focus on retouching photos. Thank you.